This is Gary Schnittke, and this is a 5-minute farmdoc daily. We have released our 2021 crop insurance decision tool. That tool has several different features to it, and it's linked to in the description of this video. One of the big things that many people use in it is our premium calculation feature. We do premium calculations for farm level coverages, RP, RP with high-risk price exclusion, and YP. And we also do the area revenue plans, ARP, area revenue plan with high-risk price exclusion, and area yield protection as well. What is new this year is our screens that deal with the supplemental coverage option and ECO. Those two products are new this year. Again, users can look at RP with HPE, and YP. They can change their information relative to yields, but if you use our tool and you just want to see example rates, come on in and you make a state county choice, and we will bring in parameters that are fairly representative for the county. Again, what is new this year is our SCO and ECO tool. And in this, you can look at an underlying combo product. So if you've been selecting RP at the enterprise unit level, we will show you opportunities or alternatives you can have and their premium cost for SCO and ECO. RP at 80% has an $18.70 premium per acre for this case. You add SCO to it, you raise that cost by 76% to $19.46. You can also add ECO to that, and that would increase your coverage at a county level. Again, SCO and ECO are county level products. That would raise your cost to $26.28, adding $6.82 to that. You could even go up to 95%, and there you would have a premium cost of $39.90, or add $20.44. You do not have to take SCO, so you can back out the SCO cost and see the cost here. Again, this year, many farmers will have that ECO alternative. You can see the premium cost in our 2021 crop insurance decision tool.